SPC flooring, stone plastic composite, is revolutionizing interior design with its durability, style, and versatility. Made from limestone, PVC, and stabilizers, it's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and stable in temperature changes, making it ideal for any space. Mimicking wood, stone, and abstract patterns, vinyl flooring suits any style, from minimalist to industrial. Its low-maintenance appeal allows designers to innovate freely in their interior design projects. Many SPC flooring options use recycled materials and have low VOC emissions, aligning with sustainable interior design trends. Its easy click-lock installation makes updates quick and hassle-free. Ideal for living room, bedrooms, and commercial areas, SPC flooring combines beauty and resilience, proving that functionality and elegance can coexist.